Hey everybody, it's your boy Big B. Thanks for checking me out. Today, I got my first mystery tackle box. This is for the month of August and never got one before, so I'm gonna open it up and you guys can come check it out with me and we'll see what we got. All right, well, let's get to it. Got my knife, cut it open, see what's inside. It's hot today, it's like 105. So anyways, all right, catch and win. Got a measuring stick, you know, I guess, I don't know why I would have a cardboard box with me on the water, but still cool. So let's see what's inside. First thing, got sticker. I guess they come every month with a new different sticker, so that's cool. Catchco. And this is Junk Fishing 101, so I guess it's some instructions, places where I guess everything that whatever comes in the box is good to be fished at, how to rig it. There's some different tactics, so that's kind of cool. First thing we got, some ultra light soft plastic hooks, Mustad. Those are cool, 2 of them. Next one, cool, Loco 10 crankbait. It's a 3.5 inch, half ounce, 5 to 10 feet depth. It's kind of cool colors, kind of shiny. I don't know, kind of shad looking, but I don't know. We'll try it out. Tips and tricks guide. This is the what's inside card that lets you know all the prices of everything that comes in. It's kind of cool. What do we get? Got some big bite baits, some big bite juice. I don't know what they are actually. They're kind of like, I don't know. Check it out though. What we got? What we got? Alright. Got this creature looking thing. I don't know, some kind of pumpkin looking color. Smells good. Got some of the juice. Big bite baits. Alright, now we got 1/4 ounce classic runner. Looks pretty good. I don't know if that's gonna work, but we'll give it a shot. Next up, we got Exopod enhanced with Bioscent 7-pack. This is what these look like. Ooh, got a cool blue. Look cool. Have to give those. I like it. There's like 2 different colors almost, but just depends on where the light's hitting it. Last, we got Excite Baits. How exciting! These are green pumpkin. So let's open these up. Check them out. Cool. Cool, cool. Yeah, and this is for the month of August, so we'll they said you never get anything the same thing twice, so see what happens next month and I'll let you guys know what I get. This is where to fish all your stuff. Gives you a little map. Gives you some pro tips. And that's about it. So I guess we just get to fishing. And I'll try all this stuff out. Let you know how it goes. And I'll catch you back on the next one. So thanks for watching, checking me out. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in September. I'm out.